Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can turn on safe mode on Android. So on the majority of Android devices you will be able to put your smartphone into the safe mode by first launching the power off menu, press and hold the side key for a few seconds, or simultaneously press volume up and power buttons. Now once you see the power off menu in front of you, find the power off option in particular, and instead of tapping on it, touch and hold with your finger at its icon. Then you'll get the same reboot, or you should get the same reboot to safe mode prompt, so press OK and allow some time for your device to restart itself back to the safe or diagnosis mode. Keep in mind that this particular method won't work for all devices. On certain phones you will be required to first power the device off and then press a particular combination of keys. The order and the combination itself varies from device to device, so if this method didn't work for your phone, it's better than you just, instead of googling how to put Android phone into safe mode, try googling your exact phone model, or at least the phone manufacturer, since those things are usually brand unique or manufacturer unique. Anyway, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.